Let's shift our focus now to the India COVID story. 42,618 new cases have been reported in the last 24 hours. Active cases count for 1.23% of India's total caseload. As far as the number of deaths being reported, it's 330. Deaths continue to remain below the 400 mark now for 2 straight days. Vaccinations have dipped in the last 24 hours. 58.85 lakh people have been vaccinated. Arvind Gunasekar joins us with the very latest. Arvind, the COVID numbers and the new number of cases and deaths have both come down, but vaccinations have also dipped drastically in the last 2 days.
Yeah, Rishika, if you could see the number of people who have been infected in the last 24 hours with COVID-19 virus, it comes to somewhere around over 42,000. In fact, the exact number is 42,618 cases have been reported in the last 24 hours. And if you could see the number of people who have succumbed to the infection, it comes to somewhere around 330. So as per the number of people who have been infected and also the number of dead, the number has come down. But like you mentioned, the alarming is also the number of people who got vaccinated in the 24 hours. The vaccination rate is also dipping. In the last 24 hours, hardly over 58 lakh people have been vaccinated. So the government has a target of vaccinating at least over 1 crore people per day. That's the target of the government. But again, it has come down to half the value of somewhere around over 58 lakhs. So that's something a bit of alarming. But the government is very confident that in the coming days, with more vaccine products available, with the more vaccines available, the vaccination rate will also be increased in the coming days. But the current vaccination rate in the last 24 hours is hardly somewhere around 58.8 lakhs.
Well, thanks, Arvind, for joining us with the very latest. We'll, of course, continue to keep a close watch on those numbers. Vaccinations, once again, have dipped pretty drastically in the last 2 days, so that remains a cause of concern.